Yeah, it was an amazing call. How you understood my problem was really good, and then how you told me that how you can help me in solving those problems. That is quite convincing.
100%.
Thanks, Darshit. Thanks for your time and for spending this much of time to explain everything. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Darshit, for your time. And I found very this conversation and this entire meeting was very happy. And the most important USP of this meeting that it's a very honest conversation. It's not at all commercialized.
In the past 2 weeks, I have taken more than 30 plus meetings. And if you know, I love challenges and I give my 100% if I'm putting on something or I don't even do that work. So, if you have watched this previous video where we have started a new business and from there only we have booked more than 30 plus meetings in past 14 days. I'm going to share something valuable of my experience of taking more than 30 plus client meetings. These lessons changed how I approach clients and close deals. And I believe they can help you too, whether you are a coach, freelancer or agency owner. In these meetings, I have learned the key strategies about understanding the client, building trust and offering the right solution. Let's dive into 3 biggest lessons that I have learned. One thing that I noticed that no two clients are same. Even if they are from the same industry, but their pain points and goals are totally different. Listen carefully, ask these questions like what's the biggest problem that they are facing right now and what they want to achieve in the next 3 months. When you show genuine interest, clients feel valued and they also trust you more. I used to think fancy presentation and animation would impress clients, but I was wrong. Note it right now, make your offer and solution as simplest as possible for the client because simplicity wins. When explaining your solution, make it simple and easy to understand. For example, instead of saying that I will help you to run Facebook ad, say like I will help you to get high ticket clients using Facebook ads to get more high quality leads and clients. Simplicity builds confidence in your ability to deliver. Number 3. Follow up. Most of the deals I have closed after at least 2 to 3 follow-ups. Most clients won't say yes in the first meeting and that's okay. Follow up with a polite message, send them reminders and you can also send testimonials or videos that how you can help them with the solution that you are providing. So let's recap. Number 1. Listen to your client very carefully and understand all the problems. Number 2. Provide your solution as simply as possible because simplicity wins. And at last, don't forget to follow up. I hope these lessons will help you in your journey to connect with clients and to grow your business. And if you want to know or if you want to learn anything, you can just drop your comments in the comment section. And if you want us to help you grow your business, then just DM me on Instagram and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.
Thanks Darshit for giving amazing knowledge to me and I also recommend to you कि आपको भी दर्शित के साथ एक Google Meet schedule करना चाहिए because Darshit is very good listener. I am saying again. Thanks Darshit.